Hey guys! So as you can see, my hair is neither straight nor curly, but they are kind of turned inwards or outwards also. And in this video, I'm gonna show you if the hair mask, which actually claims to provide you straight hair with one single use, and that also like keratin treatment, works or not. And without wasting much time, let's get started. The first ingredient that we are gonna need is rice. I'm taking 4 spoons of rice, cooking them on a medium flame, and after they're cooled down, gonna put them in a grinder, make a paste, and add coconut milk and 1 spoon of olive oil. Also, don't forget to add corn flour. I did add, but I forgot to attach a clip of it, and then just mix. So before applying the paste, make sure that your hair is like combed properly. And now I'm gonna apply it according to sections, taking the first section, applying the paste evenly so that it coats each and every strand of my hair, because yeah, किसको पसंद होगा कि एक बार straight ना हो और बाकी सब हो जाए. And applying it all over. It was fun. Repeating the same with the other side also. And now ऐसे they'll just fold it, or actually just cover it up neatly, and then taking a shower cap, covering it, leaving it for 2 hours, and I'll see you guys later. So yeah, I took a shower and my hair is actually wet right now, but I'll show you how it looks. And abhi to it looks straight, but we don't know the result, so we'll just wait for it to get air dried, and I'll show you guys the result when it gets dried, obviously. Yeah, so my hair did not get straightened, but thoda bahut shine and nourishment, all those things wo to hai, but the result which it claimed to provide is not there. And yeah, you can see the texture. I'm not satisfied with the results, because I think it's like the easier ingredients like yogurt and all those things provide the same kind of nourishment, and this did not work out for me. But if you guys try this mask, do tell me in the comment section below if it worked for you or not. Like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.